most about SIF and being a part of the Youth Advisory Group is that I can meet some new amazing people and make new friends, because like the people here, we have like kind of similar views and we actually want to participate and engage in the process of creating safer internet forum. We also want to express ourselves, so I feel like it's really easy for me to communicate with them.
So we started at the BIK Youth Panel meetings by first meeting online, having an icebreaker, getting to know each other and our opinions. Then eventually, as the official work finally started, we started in September by formulating our thoughts about age restrictions, alternative strategies, about the future of the policies and the new laws that are coming into effect.
I think age restriction is important because children are exposed to many dangerous elements on the internet. However, we should talk about the alternatives and not restricting them from using the social media, but maybe getting more educated so that they know what to do and what not to do on the internet.